while since the last moving vlog where I showed you guys the empty home tour, and there's been a couple updates since that video. Basically, this video is just going to be a compilation of different clips from the past month and a half, and we'll start with the renovation process. I ended up doing the same exact flooring that I did at my parents' house in my filming room. So the flooring stuff all worked out. They did that pretty quickly, but with the staircase, that's where the problem was, because they originally were supposed to do white oak, but they ended up bringing red oak on accident. So they did offer to like change that and just order the white oak instead, but there would be a delay. But my mom was advising me not to go with them and just kind of cut the project short and just pay them for the flooring that they did. And honestly, since I'm not really experienced with all this stuff, she's owned multiple homes, so I kind of trusted her opinion. So we ended up going with a different company that my sister recommended. Luckily, they did have the material pretty quickly. And then if you guys notice, I did change the railing on the staircase. Since they're already removing the post, they said it's not that much more expensive to change the railing. So as you guys saw, I switched the fan into this paper lantern. And then for the actual bedroom stuff, I pretty much am using everything from the apartment. The rug, I actually don't really like anymore. I just feel like it looks a little bit messy because I did try washing it and I think it got like bunched up. And then that's the nightstand. Again, I don't really love the look of it for some reason here. I think the color's a bit off against the wood floors, and then also looks a little bit small for the space. So it's probably gonna end up going to like a guest bedroom. And then this black thing's not the prettiest thing to look at, but it's my iPad stand, since I do read a lot, especially at night, and I don't want to hold the iPad up for hours. And then I am gonna put curtains up. I just haven't figured out like how I want to do it. Thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this next portion of the video. As you guys know, I've been working with them for quite a while now, so I'm excited to share that they'll be having an early Black Friday event. And during this event, you guys can find limited time deals on so many different products. So I'm going to share some of my picks, and as usual, everything will be linked in the description box for you guys to shop. So starting off, the first item is actually a home item. It's this oversized floor mirror. It comes in 3 different finishes, so I got the black metal. I love the arch shape, and my favorite part is that it does have the stand on the back. You guys know I'm always constantly filming my outfits, and I kind of like to be able to move the mirror around depending on if I want like a different background. But with my current mirror, I always have to have a wall to lean the mirror against. And then next up is a pair of denim. So I have 2 different types. It's actually the same style, just in 2 different washes. So I have the dark wash, and then I also have it in this medium blue. You guys might be able to tell in the try on clip, it's a little bit big, and that's because I got the wrong size. I did get a size 2, which according to the tag, it's equivalent to a waist 26, length 32. And for reference, I'm usually like a 23, 24 waist, but I did still want to show it in this video because I think it's a good find if you guys are also on the hunt for a similar jean style. This is a mid-rise bootcut jean, and this specific denim is very comfortable. It has some stretch, I would say, and it's very soft and more flexible. Personally, I do prefer a more comfortable, flexible denim versus a super stiff, rigid kind. And I'm pretty sure on the website, this style comes in 3 different lengths as well. So short, regular, and then long. Next up is another clothing item. This is the Scuba half zip pullover from the brand Scoop. It's a size small. It does go down to extra small, so I did size up 1 just for reference. I'm pretty sure they did have some matching bottoms, so I'll insert a photo of that on the screen in case you want like a matching set. Very soft and comfortable. It's pretty stretchy, I would say. And I think this is just like a really good lounge piece. piece and something that I think would work either for like an airport outfit with some leggings or maybe even like throw on over a workout outfit. Next is this puffer jacket in the color apricot. They also had a couple different colors in this one. And as you guys know, the weather is getting colder, so puffer jacket season's coming up, and I think this is the perfect time to pick it up, especially during the deals event. Another jacket, this is also from the brand Scoop. It's just this faux leather bomber jacket, and I've shown this before on my channel, but I wanted to bring it up again because I think it's another really good deal. I got a size extra small, and just a really good fall fashion find, and I believe at the time of making this video, it's about $14 to $15, which is such an amazing deal. Next clothing piece is just this bodysuit. I have it in multiple different colors. I've also shown this before on my channel, but again, wanted to bring it up because I think it's such a good deal. It's just this long sleeve bodysuit. It has a thong style at the bottom with the snap closure. The best part of this is just that the material is so soft and comfortable. It is a seamless bodysuit, and I did get a size extra small for reference. And at the time of making this video, I believe it's around $6 to $7 depending on the color. So those are all the pieces I have from Walmart. Again, everything will be linked in the description box for you guys to shop. Don't forget to check out the early Black Friday event. There's going to be so many good deals, and thank you again to Walmart for sponsoring this portion of the video. Where I put all of my jeans. I do prefer to hang them instead of folding. I just think it's easier to find whatever pair you're looking for. And then to hang them, I use these S hooks that you just put into the belt loops. And then right above that, I have these clear shoebox organizers that I usually use to store heels, flats, and sandals. Moving on, in this section, I have all my skirts and sweaters. So I just hung up the skirts with these white wooden pant hangers. And then underneath that, I folded my sweaters and tried to color code it. And then in this section, I do have all my tops. It's kind of hard to see in this back corner, but I do have all my dresses back there. I had extra S hooks from the jeans, so I put my bigger tote bags back there. I just pretty much put all my accessories. So up in the top section, I have all my black bags and then some silver, cream tones. And then in this area, I put my hats that I wear the most often. And I just have it on this clear hat organizer that I got. Underneath that, more bags. And then I also put my jewelry organizer over here. And then this is the last section of bags. And then I have my belt organizer that I had in the apartment. So these are just like these clear magnetic organizers that stack. Last shelf is pretty messy right now, so I think I'm gonna get like baskets just to store everything. In this section, I just put my leather jacket, and then underneath that, I have all my trousers folded on, not folded, or hung up on these open-ended pant hangers. And then I did hang up some of my belts in this section using those S hooks. Above that, I do have the same clear shoebox organizers. This one's actually the bigger size, so I use it to store any of the bigger chunky shoes. And then over here, I just have the shoe rack, which right now it's kind of in a weird layout just because the dresser is still here, so it doesn't fit like completely side by side. But I have like my boots and loafers, some sneakers, and then that is my laundry hamper. It's just this bamboo one that has 3 different compartments. Here's how it looks in the inside, and I like that the liner is washable. Next on my to-do list is to put these curtains up. I just wanted to show like a quick close-up of the material. So it has like a faux linen look. This is what the inside of the curtains look like. So if you do use a rod, you can use like these parts, but then it also has this thing where you can like insert the hooks inside of.
Concrete, so bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets.
So this is how the finished curtains look. I kind of need to adjust the top so the track system shows up a little bit less, and then I need to adjust some of the pieces because that one over there is a little bit short. But for the most part, this is how it's gonna look. And as you can see, it's kind of like a light filtering curtain, so you can still see light coming in, but you can't really see outside. For the rest of the room, there's pretty much no updates. The only piece of furniture I have is the sofa, and that's what I brought over from my apartment. So I'm gonna keep the TV stand here. I just need to restyle it. And then I also need to have my dad mount the TV. I have the marble coffee table from my apartment. And then I also have this lounge chair here. I'll probably move this upstairs once I do get a sofa, but for now I just kept it down here. And then I did switch the fan for this paper lantern because I had two of them. And then if you guys notice back there, I have the same curtain track system. And then over in this corner, I just put my dog's crate, but that's pretty much the updates for the downstairs. The rest of the room, like the dining area, it's still completely empty. And then I do need to organize the kitchen in like storage closets. So that's pretty much all the home updates I have as of now. I definitely still have a lot to do here. As you guys saw, I have no furniture besides the ones that I brought over from the apartment. And honestly, I'm still so indecisive when it comes to that stuff that I don't know like what my plan is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you again to Walmart for sponsoring a portion of this vlog.